Hi there, this is our Victor lathe. It's Taiwanese, really good quality. An older lathe, but there's been plenty of them sold and they are really good quality. This one's in good working order. It's done a bit of work over its lifetime, but it still ticks over nicely. It's got a quick change tool post, emergency foot brake, etc. Okay, well, we'll start from the back. It's got the full length splash guard there, isolation switch. This end's nice. I've shown a photo of under there. I'll go over to the tailstock. That coil's nice to move in and out. Lock works good, and that coil lock works good too. And it's not too bad up there in that taper. Carriage itself, it's nice to move. And that cross slide's a bit rumbly, but it feels nice to move, and very little play there. Compound slide's nice to move, and a little bit of play on that one. I noticed the direction engagement lever here is a little bit sloppy, not as positive as when it would have been brand new, but you can soon get used to that. So that's that carriage. The bed itself is a little bit rough. This end, there's a little bit of wear there, but not super excessive. Okay, it's got a wee jog on it there. I can switch that coolant pump on. I don't have any fluid in it. Okay, well, we'll start it up and run you through the feeds on the lead screw and feed shaft. So there it is, I'll get that lead screw going. There's the different speeds there. This end of that lead shaft is a little bit rounded off, so it's obviously done a bit of screw cutting over the years. So those three there are nice to change through. There's the feed shaft and the lead shaft on high. So I'll engage that, so that's got that carriage coming towards you on quite a high speed there. And I can change that direction and engage that. So now that's heading away. So that's that lead screw set up. I've got that feed shaft working now, so I'll engage those feeds. So that's got the carriage going that way, and that engagement in and out's nice. And now the carriage is coming out towards you. So that feels nice to engage and disengage. So those are the feeds. I'll run you through the speed range. Basically what it's got is that's the electrical brake there. So basically it's got a high and low here, your gear change here, and then an electrical high and low up there. So I'm in the low range. I'll run you through all of them. Negative, that'll give you 100 RPM. We were in 210. So now I'll jump to the next one, and that'll be 160, 320. Oh, sorry, I didn't start at the lowest. Here's the lowest over here. 30, 65, 60, 120. So that's all the lower range, and I'll put it into the higher range now. So, and I'll take you through. So the next one there, that's 65. Oh, sorry, that's 180, 370. 420, 350. $700. $600. Oh. $1,200. One more to go. That'll be $900. And the last one coming up, which will be $1,800. So that's $1,800 here. So that's all of the gears there. And you know, it sounds really nice and reasonably quiet through all them, and nice to change. So that is pretty much it. I noticed when we changed through this electrical thing here, a wee bit of a humming there, possibly that switch contact since I've steam cleaned it, and that may need tidying up. But it ticks over really nicely. There's been a lot of them sold. They are good quality Taiwanese, and this one still, even though it's got a little bit of bed wear there, you know, it still ticks over really nicely.